Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So what we're going to do right now is we will show you on how to speed up your PC, computer, or laptop. Okay, first we need to open the run by just simply clicking the Windows plus R. Then type %temp%. Then click OK. As you can see on your end, there's a lot of folder or files. You just need to delete it permanently by just Control E, Shift Delete. But as you can see on my end, it is lesser than what you're seeing on your end or computer because I've already deleted the files earlier. And nothing to worry, it will not affect your system. Then I will not going to do that again because I already deleted. Second one, you need to go to your File Explorer by just simply clicking the Windows E. Then after that, you need to click this PC. As you can see on your end, there's a drive local disk C. You'll just need to right click your local disk C. Then go Properties. It will show you up the local disk C properties. Then after that, you need to click this cleanup. Then after that, you can choose or check the box that you want to clean, like this: cache, temporary files, recycle bin. Then hit OK. Third one, you need to go to your task manager by just simply clicking the Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Then click Task Manager. On the upper button, you can see the Startup category. Then you need to disable Startup apps that you don't need when booting. Like this, I already disabled this because I don't need. The purpose of this is to lessen the apps that will run when you boot your computer. Fourth one, you need to go to your File Explorer by just simply click Windows plus E. Then on this PC, you'll just need to right click your mouse, then click Properties. Then after that, it will show you the advanced system settings on the upper left corner on your computer. Then you just need to click. Then it will show you this performance. You just need to click Settings. And then you need to click the circle on Adjust for best performance. But in this case, it will remove the animation on your computer. But if you don't prefer the animation, or if you prefer the animation, you just need to click it back to return on your appearance. Then click OK. On the fifth one, you just need to go to your Windows, then click Settings. Then on your end, you can see these apps. You just need to click it. And it will show you all your application softwares. Then you can now uninstall the unused software. Sixth one, you just need to reset your computer by just simply clicking the Windows, then type reset, and it will show you this reset this PC. You just need to click it, then it will show you this. You just need to click this get started. Then it will show you the option that you can use. It's either keep my files or remove everything. If all the option it's not working on your computer, you need to reformat your computer. You need to reinstall your operating system. I hope it will help you. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.